everyone. Myself Koyal Sharma from Sages Deepak Nagar, Durg. 1st December, which is observed every year as World AIDS Day, is an opportunity for people worldwide to unite in the fight against HIV, show their support for people living with HIV, and spread awareness. So let us share some informations about AIDS. AIDS is a disease caused by HIV, where AIDS stands for Acquired Immunodeficiency Syndrome. The word acquired is used because it's a condition one acquires or gets infected with. The word immuno is used as it affects the body's immune system. The word deficiency tells us that it makes the immune system deficient. Syndrome is used because someone with AIDS may experience a wide range of different diseases. AIDS happens after someone has had HIV for many years. Now, the question arises, what is HIV? HIV stands for Human Immunovirus. It is a type of retrovirus which invades the helper T cells or CD4 cells in the body of the host and attacks the defense system of the body. Now let us see, how do people get infected with HIV? Most young children who have HIV got it before they were born or shortly after birth, whereas older people can get HIV through unprotected sex, sharing needles for injecting drugs or tattooing, blood transfusion from an infected person, from infected mother to the baby through placenta or breastfeeding. It is not transmitted through physical contact, insect bites, sharing food or clothes, etc. AIDS is considered the last stage of HIV infection, where the body completely loses its defense mechanism, which causes illness. Loss of immunity finally leads to organ failure and death. Let us look upon some symptoms of AIDS. Some common symptoms of HIV/AIDS are fever and chills, headaches, mood swings, sore throat, swollen lymph nodes, ulcers, joint pain, rashes, infections, low BP, pneumonia, etc. Now, one must think, how could HIV/AIDS be prevented? So, some preventive measures for HIV/AIDS are use of sterile needles, regular health checkups, practicing protected sex, that is, using blood transfusion, and pregnancy. There is also cure for AIDS. We can say that there is no precise treatment or cure for AIDS, but there are medications which are used to discontinue the virus from reproducing. One major treatment for HIV/AIDS is called antiretroviral therapy. For this therapy to be effective and operative, it is advised to take the drugs as prescribed without missing or avoiding any doses. In this way, one can combat with this dreadful disease and live a comparatively hale, hearty, and happy life. Thank you.